Don't know what brand this is. Buttons are over.
Sounds like a Schindler. This is a glass one. That's another key. This is a Schindler. Door closed, does not work. Capacity 3,500. That seems to be the standard for the Galleria. Going back down, we'll look out the window. This is fast for a hydraulic. There's that escalator. So your key switches.